What does structural insurance cover? Having insurance as a landlord is very essential if you are going to rent out properties. You should be well protected when you are involved in renting property, and good insurance can help you to stay protected in case you lose your income in legal disputes or if something worse happened to your properties. There is a wide range of landlord insurance and coverages available to select from. Here are some fundamentals of a policy for a rental insurance policy for landlords. 1. Property coverage. Property covering is most important for you if you hold properties. When you go with landlord insurance, you should take a look at your policy to see what sort of property coverage you have. While taking any insurance policy, make sure that your insurance policy covers the entire part of your property, including garage, store, and your personal property as well. 2. Protection in case of loss of rental income. Loss of rent coverage is also very essential if you are landlord. Sometime when you have to take the payment from your tenant but you are unable to get it. In that case, landlord insurance will help you to be insured. 3. Protection from lawsuits. The other important thing that you need to consider that when it comes to your rental insurance as a landlord is protection from lawsuits. When you are renting out property, this is a big risk that you can face. Berry Granger Insurance offer complete landlord insurance and can offer buildings and contents cover either for a single or multiple properties. If you are looking for landlord insurance policy, get various affordable landlord insurance quote from Berry Granger Insurance.